ARMYs, what the camera captured during this BTS bowling night may have revealed something even more interesting than the bowling itself. V, RM, Jungkook, and J-Hope were all spotted together in the same place, and each member had their own moment caught on camera. First, V, also known as Taehyung, appears in front of the bowling lane. Wearing his blue beanie turned backward, an oversized white t-shirt, loose black cargo pants, and sneakers, Taehyung picks up the pink bowling ball and lines up his shot. After focusing for a few seconds, V rolls the ball down the lane and then walks back. His expression looks soft and relaxed, but then RM, J-Hope, and Jungkook can also be seen sitting behind V. Right in front, RM, also known as Namjoon, is sitting in a white sleeveless tank top and black cap, carefully watching V's 10-pin bowling game. J-Hope is sitting right behind RM in a white t-shirt, and next to them, Jungkook can be seen enjoying the 10-pin bowling game in an all-black outfit with face-covering headgear. After finishing his shot, V walks back and then gives RM a strong high five. Both of their hands go up in the air, and V has a happy and excited expression on his face at that moment. After that, V stands directly in front of the camera. He adjusts his blue beanie slightly with both hands and gives the camera a soft smile. But ARMYs, what comes next is Jungkook's turn. The screen shows that mini Jungkook, and Jungkook steps up to the bowling lane in his all-black look. He takes his shot in an athletic pose and rolls the ball forward. After the shot, Jungkook stands with his back toward the lane and suddenly raises both hands, making double peace signs. His little celebration looks confident and cute. Then it is J-Hope's turn. The screen shows that ARMY Hope, and Hobie gets up from his seat and walks toward the lane. Wearing a white sleeveless tank top, a black baseball cap, and a heavy silver chain around his neck, J-Hope looks seriously stylish. He takes his shot with a red bowling ball and walks back toward the camera with a big, bright smile. And then he even gives the camera a high five. But ARMYs, there is another sweet moment at the end of this entire 10-pin bowling night. After the game, J-Hope and BTS RM, also known as Namjoon, are seen together. Both of them are holding cups and eating something from them while casually enjoying the moment. Their mood looks completely relaxed during this scene, and that small detail makes this entire BTS outing feel even warmer. Just moments earlier, V was bowling, giving RM an energetic high five, Jungkook was showing his double peace sign, and J-Hope was high-fiving the camera. And now, seeing J-Hope and Namjoon chilling together like this gives fans another cute moment to enjoy. ARMYs, which of these moments was your favorite? V and RM's energetic high five, Jungkook's double peace sign, J-Hope's bright smile, or this relaxed moment between J-Hope and Namjoon? Let me know your favorite in the comments, and if you don't want to miss more BTS moments and quick news updates like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now.